Hey beautiful learner, welcome back to English with Emma. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you chose to spend your time learning with me today. Before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe so you never miss a new lesson that helps you grow your English every day. Today, I want to share something powerful with you, something that can change the way you learn English forever. You can learn English from your daily life. Yes, from the simple moments you already live every day. Your morning drink, your walk to work, your shopping, your cooking, your music, and even the small thoughts inside your mind. This method is easy, natural, and it works for all levels. Your life becomes your English classroom, and you become your own best teacher. Why many learners feel stuck? Many people study English for years and still feel nervous when they try to speak. Why? Because they believe English only lives in a classroom, in a grammar book, or in long, confusing rules. But beautiful learner, real English lives in the world, not just on paper. It lives in the sounds around you, the signs you see, the videos you watch, the songs you listen to, the conversations you hear, and even the way you talk to yourself inside your mind. Learning happens everywhere if you know how to see it. And today I will show you exactly how. Your morning drink, your first English lesson. Imagine waking up in the morning. You walk to your kitchen. You make your coffee, tea, or juice. Here is where your English practice begins. Say simple sentences to yourself like, "This smells warm and comforting. This helps me wake up. This is part of my morning routine." This is called narrating your life, describing what you are doing in simple English. This technique is powerful because you practice without stress. You use real, meaningful words. You connect English to your life. You train your brain to think in English. Every small sentence builds fluency. And remember, fluency grows from small steps done every day, not from big steps done once a month. Turning your shopping trip into learning. Next, let's talk about one of the easiest places to learn English, the supermarket. Even if everything is written in your local language, you can bring English into the moment. Look at each section and say, "This is the bakery area. These are dairy products. Here are the fruits and vegetables. These are snacks." Pick up an item and describe it. This rice is long grain. This yogurt is low fat. This chicken is boneless. The goal is not perfection. The goal is connection, connecting English to real objects around you. You can even train your brain with questions. Where can I find the pasta? Is this fresh? Do you have a smaller size? Even if no one answers, your brain becomes faster and stronger. Learning English on your commute. Your commute, your bus ride, your walk, your drive, is the perfect time to grow your English naturally. You can listen to English with Emma, easy podcasts, simple English music, short motivational videos. Even if you don't understand everything, you are training your ears. Tell yourself, "I'm learning every time I listen. It's okay if I don't understand everything. I'm getting better day by day." Look around you and describe what you see. The road is quiet today. This bus is crowded. The sky looks beautiful. These small sentences build your fluency like drops of water filling a cup. Cooking, a natural English practice session. Cooking is full of action words, perfect for learning. Words like cut, stir, mix, boil, fry, slice, taste, pour. While you cook, say, I'm chopping the onions. I'm mixing the ingredients. It smells really good. I'm almost done. When your hands move, your brain remembers the words better. This is real practical English, the English you actually use in life. Learning from TV shows and movies. Watching shows is a fun way to learn, but here's the secret. Don't try to understand everything. Use English subtitles. Listen for simple, common phrases like, "Come on, let's go." "Are you serious? That's amazing. I'll be right back." When you hear a good phrase, repeat it quietly. Your brain will slowly absorb it, meaning it takes it in naturally like a sponge. Little by little, you start under. A message just for you. Beautiful learner, remember this. You are learning all the time, even when you don't notice it. Your mornings teach you. Your shopping teaches you. Your travel teaches you. Your cooking teaches you. Your entertainment teaches you. Your whole life teaches you. Your world is your classroom, and you are stronger, smarter, and more capable than you think. If you got value from this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell so you don't miss future lessons. I'm Emma, and I'm always here to help you grow your English with confidence. Until next time, keep going, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.